Hi there, my name is John Tanner, and if you've ever felt like your story doesn't quite fit the mold, I want to share something with you that could change the way you see your future. It's called the Attorney to Advisor Weekend Workshop, and it's helping high achievers like you finally break free from burnout and step into a more flexible, fulfilling career without starting over from scratch. Now, I didn't take the traditional legal route. I graduated law school at age 44, passed the bar exam just 2 months later, and thought I was on track to start practicing law. But during the character and fitness process, something from my past came back to haunt me. Bounced checks that I failed to disclose on my law school application. I know. That opened the door to a 1.5 year long investigation that dug deep into my finances, and it forced me to confront some hard truths. In December 2019, I made the difficult decision to withdraw my application. At first, it felt like the end, but in reality, it was the beginning of something better. A few months later, I opened a boutique real estate brokerage. It was my return to entrepreneurship and independence. Prior to law school, I had been working as an English teacher at a K-8 charter school in Miami. And for the decade prior to teaching, I had owned and operated my own real estate appraisal firm, also located in Miami. Over the past 5 years, I gained a front row seat to the struggles and incredible potential of small business ownership. Eventually, I found a way to blend everything that I knew, my legal education, my master's degree in hospitality and tourism management, my decade-long career in secondary education, and my real-world experience in real estate. That's when I stepped into the role of a business advisor and broker specializing in micro M&A advisory, private equity, and succession planning for Main Street business owners. And now I want to help you do something similar inside the Attorney to Advisor 3-day weekend workshop. In just one weekend, you'll learn how to transition into business advisory work, how to position yourself as a strategic consultant, and how to create a career path that reflects your values, skills, and vision. You'll get a proven roadmap, templates, scripts, and checklists to use in your business, licenses to use my intellectual property, and the clarity and confidence to finally move forward on your own terms. This isn't about giving up on law. It's about using everything that you've learned to build a career you actually love. Imagine consulting with business owners who value your insight instead of fighting for hours in a system that doesn't value your time. Imagine the freedom to work from anywhere in the world where you get to earn what you're worth and to create real value in the lives of the entrepreneurs that you serve. This is the advisor path, and it's waiting for you. So, if you're ready to turn your hard-earned education and life experience into something more meaningful and flexible, join me inside the Attorney to Advisor 3-day weekend workshop. Let's make this the weekend that changes everything. I'll see you there.